Hello guys, welcome to another new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make top 7 awesome transition on Filmora X.
Think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story.
So let's start the video.
Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. Just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. So as you can see, I already added a video into the timeline. So go titles and add default text into upper track. Double click on this and go advanced. Delete text and add a circle shape. Change circle middle text and change circle color to green. Then adjust circle shape like this.
If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence.
Then click OK.
This life,
Then right click on project panel and change zoom rate to 10%.
and I'll fight till anxiety
Then hide video layer.
of my mind's extortion.
Then take a snapshot of this.
Wanted someone who would
Then delete text and add this snapshot.
life I just wanted
Then unhide video layer.
to be.
Then place snapshot in the last part of the video where you want transition.
I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
So I want my transition here. Now place snapshot here.
Be great.
Then select snapshot and place snapshot outside right corner of video. Then double click on this and go animation. Add a keyframe here. Then go 20 frame later. And adjust green shape like this.
Searching for greatness.
One thing you have to notice that
I see
when you change the position of the shape, don't do it from here, do it from here.
make it, and I
Okay, let's take a preview.
my limitations. Don't try to stop me. I exist to write my own story.
So as you can see, it's look like this.
The glory,
Change zoom level to fit again.
possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day.
Delete extra part of snapshot.
Whole life I just wanted someone who would notice.
Okay, now export this.
Life I just wanted to be.
After export, delete all from the timeline and add exported video. Add this to the timeline.
Yeah, I just
Green part start from here. Then drag this to upper track
wanna be great.
and add a new video into first track. Then place this below green part. Then double click on this and remove green color. And you're done. Let's check preview. So as you can see, it's done.
To appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it.
Then export this.
Work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience, yeah. In this life, I want
So as you can see, I make a sequence of 2 videos.
it's boring, and I'll fight till anxiety
Okay, now go effects and search glitch distortion
extortion. My whole life I
and add to the upper track.
would know.
Now zoom the timeline.
My whole life
Now place timeline bar in the middle part of 2 videos. and go back 5 frames later and split this. And again go 5 frames later from middle part and split this. Now it's look like this. Now again go effect and search wheel and add to the upper track. Now double click on this. Set frequency to 100 and split like this. Add this on first, middle and last part. Then again search flip up and add to the upper track. Also split like this. So as you can see, our effect placement look like this. Okay, let's check preview. So as you can see, this transition is also done. So as you can see, I already make a sequence of 2 videos. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day. Okay, now go effects and search kaleidoscope. I just wanted someone. And add to the upper track. Now split 5 frames back and 5 frames later like previous. Then go transition and search fisheye. And add any fisheye roll transition in 2 videos. And adjust transition time with effect. And you're done. Let's take preview. So it's also done. So as you can see, I already make a sequence of 2 videos. So zoom the timeline. This is a statement. Drag second video to right side. And split first video last 5 frame. And second video first 5 frame. Now copy and paste both on middle empty part. And select both duplicate part and reverse this. Now set duplicate part to 3 frame. Again do it for second part. Okay, now match these 2 parts. Let's check preview. So as you can see, it's lagging. So now export this and check preview. So as you can see, it's also done. So as you can see, I already make a sequence of 2 videos. Now go transition and go speed blur and search flip roll. Add flip roll 3 between 2 videos. Double click on this and set duration to 1 second. Let's check now. Okay, now export this. After that, add flip roll 2 with it. Let's check now. Also export this. After that, delete this and add to exported video. And add these 2 videos into timeline like this. Now select first video and go crop. Select custom and set this to 540. And drag this to downside. Select second video and again go crop. Select custom and set it to 540 again. and this time click OK. Now adjust from here. And you're done.
This is a statement.
Let's check preview.
Yeah, it's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent.
So as you can see, it's so amazing.
Replacement for persistence, it's a patience, yeah. In this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring.
So as you can see, I already make a sequence of 2 videos.
Sick of my mind's extortion.
Go sample colors and add white color into upper track.
Wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just want.
Now split 5 frame back and 5 frame later like previous.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna
Double click on this and go compositing
be great.
and change blending mode to exclusion. Then split frame one by one and delete middle one by one. And you're done. Let's check preview. To learn more about this glitch effect, please check out this video on my channel. Video link given on the description below and on the I button here.
I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop
So as you can see, I already make a sequence of 2 videos.
if I want some peace or if I want the glory.
So zoom the timeline,
That is complacent or possibly boring.
go middle part of 2 videos and go back 15 frame and drag to upper track
Wanted someone who
and drag second video below first video.
whole life I just want.
Then double click on first video and go animation. Add a keyframe here.
I just wanna be great.
Then go 5 frame later and change position and rotate value like this. Let's check preview. Now go last frame and drag video to downside. Now let's check preview.
This is
Now add a square blur effect into last animation.
again. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement, yeah. There's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience, yeah.
Now and you're done.
I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And
So as you can see, it's done.
I'm so sick of my mind's extortion.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. And also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.